his hair! Dad, no more flying.
Hey, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Ceramics class. Go outside. What do you got? Blueberries?
When I first met Brady, he was eating a carton of blueberries every day.
I was on a blueberry diet.
He ate a pound every morning.
Alright, I'm ready.
We have some leftover pizza.
Oh, you're pie in the sky.
So we're gonna go eat it. Fly. It's gonna be a little bumpy up there.
Banana in the sky just doesn't have a ring to it, you know?
We could put the banana on the pizza.
No. The camera angle is weird right now. Whoa, that's better.
10, ceiling 7000 broken. Temperature 16, 2.11, altimeter 3021. VFR aircraft advise ground of direction.
Wow, it seems really windy.
Really?
I think we'll be okay.
Great.
Are you gonna share a piece at the same time like Lady and the Tramp?
No.
Why not? It's a classic.
Okay, I'll use the back part while you use the front part.
Okay. So good.
So romantic.
I think we should circle the Matanzas Inlet.
Okay.
So beautiful. The water's so green today. Oh, look at that tugboat.
Maybe we'll see dolphins and then we can give dolphins pizza.
Ooh.
That'd be a dream.
We can drop a piece off for a dolphin.
I think they'd appreciate that. I mean, it's vegetarian.
Yeah. I mean, they probably don't get pizza very often.
Oh, my ears are popping.
Yeah, we're just sending pretty quick. Ooh. Little turbulence. Enjoy the ride.
Whoa, it's really pretty.
Yeah, look at this view. Yeah, what a place.
I feel like this could be a good morning show.
You want to land?
No.
But I forgot how.
Bravo 65 Bravo, actually ground taxi straight ahead to parking.
Straight ahead to parking 65 Bravo, thank you.
Whew. So weird talking out of, talking normal after this.
Oh man. That was great. Thanks. Have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one too.
Good
to see you too. He didn't tell me he was bringing a camera. Brady, I would have cleaned the sleep out of mine. Come on in. We camped out for the eclipse this week. It was really cold. The tent is still in the living room. You alright? I was 40 before I had my first cup of coffee.
What?
It's like a 40-year-old version.
Quite literally. I was in Costa Rica. The place that I was staying at, they took offense to the fact that I wasn't drinking my coffee. They just did bring it to you. They don't even ask.
Yeah.
And
Nice, I love them.
she was like, "Why? What's wrong with the coffee? What do you prefer?" They were afraid I was gonna give them like a 1-star Yelp review or something because of the coffee. I was like, "No, I just don't drink coffee." Well, I had the coffee, and I was like, "Oh my god,
This is what I've been missing for 40 years.
this is what my life has been missing." Right?
Yeah.
We're aerating it now, which is not. This is not. Don't post this, Brady. This is not how you're supposed to do it. This is a hack. So what? It's kind of like you decant wine. That's for you.
Yum.
Sprinkle cinnamon if you want.
Yeah, that would be delicious.
It smells like Christmas to me. So at Christmas time, yeah, at Christmas time we make coffee with cinnamon. So you're a pescatarian?
I am.
Did you know my wife Jill is also a pescatarian?
Not. We have so much in common already.
It's a little too close to Presbyterian.
Yeah, we worship the fish together.
We never know when the next freeze is gonna be, so these are our freezer sheets.
Yeah.
I know it looks like a hobo village back here, but that's the...
That's the winter.
No, it's inspiring.
What are the vines on the fence?
These are snap peas, yeah.
Cool.
And this is my favorite part of winter. These willows frame the dock.
Yeah.
We do engagement sessions back here.
Oh, cool.
And so when these willows are filled in,
Yeah.
like, you might have I did a little behind the scenes thing. My daughter runs the hose.
Uh-huh.
She puts water droplets up, and then we put like
Oh my god.
CTO gels in the background through the
Yeah.
tree, through the water droplets, and then it makes it look like this
Magical.
explosion of, yeah. I spent 2 hours in the police station during their wedding day, giving my statement.
Oh my gosh. Beautiful coffee. Like your style.
Coffee from Raw Patrol.
Looking good but feeling bad from breathing over you. Looking good to hide those bad blues.
This place is so good. Thank you. No, I'm good. Tacos.
Yay!
How was your day?
My day was great. Worked standing up at this counter.
How's that chicken?
Good. Cheers.